Good morning. It rained early doors, but it's let off for a little while now. We're still at the park up. Maximus was just quite happy, chilled out, playing his game, admiring us and asking us questions. So we've been here for a good couple of hours this morning, just chilling out, just had some showers and ready for the day. It's lovely here. It's, I think I said last night, it's Galloway Forest Park. And this is where we came in the winter to see the reindeer. You can see a bit more of the surroundings this morning. And this was a lovely little park up. It was just far enough back to be nice and quiet. Hello. Right, scooter. Look at the state of the van. It's really bad. Okay, on to the Boots chocker. Yeah, it's a nice morning. There you go.
Thank you.
Are you going scootering on the path?
Yes.
Like a path. Where he can scooter. You come in. Come on. Alexander Murray's birthplace. And there's a circular walk up to what looks like a little cottage over the back there somewhere. So we thought we'd stop here because the path looks compacted. So Maximus has got his scooter out. It's next to a little river. It's very pretty. trying his best to scooter. Come on, you. I'd like to live here now. They had a fire at each end of the house. Living in bed, it would have all been open, wouldn't it? What have you out your front door? We've come to a place called Wigtown. Now apparently there used to be a castle over here. Oh, it's quite marshy now. You get a lot of birds here and there's a few twitchers we've seen. Now it's marshland, Wigtown marshes. I think that's the old town hall there. Are you sinking, boy? It's not a great path, is it, for scootering?
Too hard.
Mummy was fibbing on this one, I think.
This is better on this.
You'll be able to scoot on the bridge. We've come to the other side of the peninsula now and we're at a place called Port William, which is a little fishing town by the look of it, or an old fishing town it was. We've just come slightly out of town because he wants a scooter. But there's some spectacular views around here. The view. Is that like a coffee shop or something? Cafe. You're chasing them.
Yeah.
The big ravens, crows. Oh, you can see over that side as well there. Look, another boy who likes throwing stones down there. That boy there. Oh, that's the Isle of Man.
I also chased a bad sloth.
We've come along the coast from Port William and we found this little grass verge here, and it's got some marks on, tyre marks, like it's been parked on before. So this is it. This is the spot for the night. Shell's just doing Maximus's tea now. Unfortunately, like everywhere, there's litter. Lots of it. Don't throw stones at me, please. Aye. Oh. The joys of being old. No, don't throw stones. Someone's left a container there. Baskets, rubble. But the beach is very rugged. Hey robot, be quiet a minute, will you please? And we can still see the two scars. And that is the Isle of Man then, there. And islands over that way. And it's lovely here, the sound of the waves rolling up. I wonder how high the tide comes up. Looks like it comes up to this line here, doesn't it, with the barnacles. If there's a sunset, I'll be back out. If there's not, I'm going to be in and having my tea and watching out the window because it is fresh. Are you staying out or are you staying in? Are you coming in for your tea?
Yes.
He's coming in for his tea. Say bye then.
Bye.
Say bye, robot.
Bye, robot.
Bye, robot.
Well, the fox could do was to lick the outside of the jar and sniff at the delicious odor. And when the quiz, how much is 6 divided by 3?
We got your soul. In war, there's never